The nominees for Best Feature Documentary are
Broken Song.
I used to sing in a lot for like drugs, and I had no self-confidence, no self-worth. So then I got to the point where I started to do muggings now. Really do feel bad for the things I done, because I did some bad things, you know what I mean?
Here was Cuba.
As a matter of fact, there was a joke at the time. There would be where Cuba was. There would be no Cuba, no land, and only a marker in the sea saying, "Here was Cuba, the thumb of imperialism in the Western Hemisphere."
Nathan.
L'histoire du cinéma, elle est faite au début par des entrepreneurs, des gens qui viennent du théâtre, des gens qui viennent de la photographie pour les techniciens, des gens qui parfois ont des histoires très curieuses, aventureuses. Je crois que Bernard Nathan, c'est quelqu'un qui est assez exemplaire de ces parcours un peu atypiques.
The Summit.
Coming down on my right side, holding on to the rope, which goes around my lower legs. And we are crying out, "Release the rope! Release the rope!" He did not make one single move to stop his fall.
and the winner, ladies and gentlemen, of the George Morrison feature documentary is The Summit.
Wow, I didn't expect that actually, genuinely. Listen, I just want to, thank everybody who was involved in making this film. And some of them are here now. Making a film like this is a complex procedure. There's too many people to thank, but I'd like to maybe make a special call out to the wonderful cinematography of Robbie Ryan and Stephen O'Reilly, the incredible music of Nick Seymour, his haunting score, Ben Stark, who did an incredible, incisive job of editing, and the incredible Mark Monroe for his remarkable writing in getting to the truth of the story. But I really want to dedicate this award to the climbers who were on K2 in 2008, because those who lived and died, and especially to two climbers, Pemba Gelja Sherpa and Ger MacDonald. Heroic, absolutely heroic act, shone like a beacon of light, of hope, across everybody on that mountain that day. And theirs is a story of hope. Thank you. Thank you very much.